One former AAP MLA, Kartar Singh Tanwar, has joined the Bharatiya Janata Party. Delhi Minister and AAP leader Saurabh Bhardwaj has said that BJP has made the politics of this country so dirty that by arm twisting, any political leader is made to do anything. Let's quickly cut across to listen in visuals of the AAP MLA joining BJP on your screens.
जनता पार्टी ने इस देश की राजनीति को इतना गंदा कर दिया है कि अब किसी भी राजनीतिक आदमी को आप आर्म ट्विस्ट करके उससे कुछ भी कराने के लिए जो है उसको आमादा कर देते हैं। हम सबको मालूम है 2016 में भाई करतार के यहां इनकम टैक्स का छापा पड़ा। उसी भारतीय जनता पार्टी की केंद्र सरकार के इनकम टैक्स डिपार्टमेंट ने कहा कि अनअकाउंटेड कैश वर्थ 130 करोड़ फाउंड। 130 करोड़ का अनअकाउंटेड कैश पाया गया। ये मैंने नहीं कहा, ये केंद्र सरकार के इनकम टैक्स ने कहा। अब जाहिर सी बात है वो तलवार जो है वो उसके ऊपर लटका के रखते हैं, उनके ऊपर भी वो तलवार लटकी हुई होगी।
Shubh Rana, my colleague with us on the broadcast. Shubh, if you can take our viewers through the details, another blow to the Aam Aadmi Party as several of its top leadership continues to languish in jails in Delhi. We're seeing that an AAP MLA has now jumped ship and he has switched over to the Bharatiya Janata Party.
Definitely, Devika, and this is the battle for upcoming Vidhan Sabha elections, which Delhi will be contesting. And you know, in another blow to Aam Aadmi Party in Delhi, which is facing a vacuum with all of its top leaders are in jail, and whereas not only this Chhatarpur MLA Kartar Singh Tanwar, but also Aam Aadmi Party Minister Rajkumar Anand, which have later resigned from Aam Aadmi Party and have joined BSP, and then he have also joined yesterday to Bharatiya Janata Party. And you know, Tanwar have also is a very big face for Aam Aadmi Party, because in that seat he had a big hold. But as upcoming Vidhan Sabha elections are near, he has said that the condition of Delhi has become so bad and we were not able to do anything due to the dictatorship of Aam Aadmi Party, and that's why I have to leave Aam Aadmi Party and join Bharatiya Janata Party. This is a big claim which have been made by Chhatarpur MLA Kartar Singh, who have joined BJP, and also Rajkumar Anand, which have shaken hands with Bharatiya Janata Party, have previously agreed that the party which was started from Andolan is now fully corrupt, and that's why he has joined Bharatiya Janata Party. So big blow to Aam Aadmi Party, whereas 6 months have been left for the upcoming Vidhan Sabha elections, and now Aam Aadmi Party MLAs, Aam Aadmi Party ministers have been shaking hands with Bharatiya Janata Party, which can be a big turn over this time in this upcoming elections, whereas Aam Aadmi Party have been targeting Bharatiya Janata Party that they used to scare their candidates by the force of CBI and ED, and not every candidate is strong enough to tackle them. And 8 years before, there was a case against AAP MLA Kartar Singh, who was alleged that there have been a scam of 130 crores. So definitely there have been a war of words, but the impact would be seen in the upcoming Vidhan Sabha elections, Devika.
Shubh, thank you so much for joining us on the broadcast with those details.